Hello, 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 and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jana, and tonight's vlog is going to be about this little guy behind me. I'm hoping you are able to see him. Let me focus on him. There you go. He is the main attraction for tonight. This beautiful white tree. This tree is very, very symbolic with, focus back. There we go. On a situation that I am experiencing at this moment and for almost the next 4 months. Ray is with the Department of Defense and he has been deployed to Kuwait. And this is my first experience through him being deployed. We are newlyweds. We got married in 2015 of August, and so we really haven't been separated, only when if he had did some training or some schooling. It's Ginger playing. So but this has been the longest time with him being, it's been a life adjustment, very, very difficult for me. I'm getting to get to know myself, if it makes sense to if anybody can relate to that. So I dearly miss him. So I had what I was going to do. I wasn't going to decorate for the Christmas. I wasn't going to put up Christmas this year. And I don't know what hit me. I guess what it was is seeing his plane take off that afternoon. It hit me hard because it wasn't only him that was going overseas. It was other men and women, other soldiers going over, and there were already soldiers over there. And it was very humbling for me. I don't know how the other wives or husbands do it. I really don't. I just remember Ray telling me, Jay, I'm a soldier, always been a soldier, and so it doesn't affect me as much. And so you married a soldier, which makes you a soldier, because you are too going through this. So I am learning to accept the things that are happening, if that makes sense. To come back full circle, the reasoning why this beauty right here, it was my first tree I put up for the whole season. I wasn't going to do anything else here. And the reason why I put up that tree is to honor all of the military, all services, all branches, for the ones that are not with their families. So that's what that tree is representing. I'm starting this series of the 12 trees that I've decorated. I have 12 trees in this house. And me decorating is it's almost like my therapy, if anyone can relate to that. I enjoy it. It calms me, it soothes me. I don't mind it being up. I don't have it really cluttered, if that makes sense. It's very homey, it's very warm. And there's been 2 videos before this, what I've done in the kitchen and then also in the kitchen area. And he just thinks, are you leaving this up till I come back? And I'm thinking, I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to or not. So this tree here, you see the bows. Let me see if I can focus back to you, to the beauty of the tree, if you can see that. There are bows on that tree, and I had picked those up. Ray and I picked them up at the Dollar Tree over the Memorial Day weekend and 4th of July. I held on to them till then. And I wasn't going, we were going to, not knowing he was going to be deployed when he did, we were going to have the outside tree to represent for all the military and everybody who has been deployed. And then there's some ornaments that has the patriotic. It has the red and white and blue and the stars on it. Ray and I picked those up at a Goodwill, I think June, maybe July of this year. It's like pack of 4. We got 2 packs, and I think they were 99 cents for the 4 pack. So they're like a quarter each, and they're beautiful. I don't see them anywhere else out there. So I'm really happy that we did pick it up. Through that, you know, there's periodically Ginger's being very, very she's chewing on me. She's teething. She's still a puppy. There's blue ornaments on there. There's red, there's white, there's glitter, there's silver. There's also some crystals in there too for the lights to reflect on. The lights that I used on that white tree was the blue first, and then I put the white up further out. The blue was in to bring out the blue hue. Ooh. Ginger's being a little mean on me. You gotta be nice. You gotta be nice. Yes, you have to be nice. So I tried to make the blue hue come out of the tree. You probably can't tell more now with the lighting of it. But it's very, very beautiful. And then I have the American flag here. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. And I also have it right there, if you can see that. So it is, I'm very patriotic. I support him. I support his mission. I support the cause, why we're doing what we're doing. So it's been beautiful to have. I have it on a timer. It comes on, I think, at 5 o'clock at night, and it shuts off at 10 situation. And it fills that corner with love. So anybody out there who's watching this video, whose spouse has been deployed or who's with you, this is to honor every one of them, plus you, for the respect. So I don't want to cry. So from me to your home and your family and your friends, Merry Christmas. And I will keep every one of you in my prayers. So come back and see us. The next one will be on another different Christmas tree, and the reason why I decorated the way I decorated it. And I don't mean to be emotional, and I apologize. It's just, it means a lot. This tree means a lot for others. I want it for them. It's not for me. It's for everybody, if that makes sense. So I want you to be good to yourself. This time of year is really hard on some folks. We need to watch out. We need to be careful. We need to see the warning signs. I really want to stress that through these videos for this holiday. And you gotta love her. She's, oh, Ginger, you make mommy smile. Be good to yourself. Be good to others, because we just don't know what part of the journey they're on. And I love you. If you have any questions, if you need some assistance, meaning some help, we can get you some hotline numbers. Let us know. We'll do what we need to do. And God bless you, and I love you, and take care and come back. I'm just rambling. I don't want to cry. So we have a fly in here. Come back for the next video. Enjoy. Love always. John J. Thanks. Are you gonna catch a fly? You're gonna catch that fly?